This new novel, chapter by chapter. This Lekki Headmaster. Let us look at it chapter by chapter, from one chapter to the other, right? So in this video, I'm just going to take you from one chapter one of Lekki Headmaster to the last chapter, right? So I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you can get all the chapter titles and what the chapter is all about. Just pay attention. Now, but before we go from chapter 1 to the last chapter, let us look at a brief description of what the entire book is about. Lekki Headmaster is fiction. That is not something that happened in real life. Pay attention, because some of these things are the things that will ask you, JAMB will be looking out for, that will come out. Lekki Headmaster is fiction and educational narrative where the setting is at Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, picturing the effort of a committed headmaster working towards the provision of quality of education in a primary school, not secondary, in a primary school, despite facing many challenges. I hope you are following. Now, before we go to chapter 1, let's look at the plot. The Lekki Headmaster showcases a dedication and innovation in education, introducing new teaching methods and encouraging community participation. Remember to watch this video to the end so that you get everything. However, the headmaster, what is the name of the headmaster? You can see it here, Mr. Fola. The headmaster who? Mr. Fola. His progressive ideas faces opposition from those clinging to outdated practices. The narrative further highlights his struggles and success as he pursues excellence in school. So this whole thing is about a headmaster in a primary school in Lekki, in Lagos, which is in Lagos, which is in Nigeria. The name of the headmaster is what? Mr. Fola. He was trying to bring newer methods, better methods of education, but some people were resisting him. He encountered many challenges. He also became successful in some. Okay, let's look at the character. The story is set in Lagos, Nigeria. It revolves around the headmaster, Mr. Fola. So the headmaster is what? Mr. Fola. Okay, we'll still look at them very well in chapter by chapter. By the way, in this our tutorial, novel tutorials, we are going to be looking at the novel chapter by chapter, right? So I will still do a video on chapter 1, a different video on chapter 2 until we get down. But in this video, let us look at the title of the chapter and the themes and title of the chapters of Lekki Headmaster. Chapter 1, the title is The New Headmaster. That is when Mr. Fola was posted to the particular school in Lekki in Lagos. The themes in that chapter 1 is leadership, expectation, and responsibility. Remember, in the next video, we will be treating chapter 1 very well. We'll be looking at only chapter 1. I'm promising you to do a chapter by chapter analysis so that even if you don't read the book, you should be able to know what it's all about. Chapter 2, first day at work. That is first day of Mr. Fola working as headmaster. The themes there is motivation, challenges in education. Chapter 3 is the struggle begins. That is Mr. Fola's struggle begins. The themes there is resistance, societal issues, and determination. Chapter 4 of the Lekki Headmaster is the headmaster's determination. The themes in that chapter is determination, leadership, and engagement. Chapter 5 of the Lekki. By the way, if you want me to send you past questions on the 4 JAMB subjects we'll be writing, depending on the course you are pursuing, you can let me know. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you hit on subscribe, then like this video too. Like this video, watch this video from beginning to the end, and subscribe. Once you do that, I will send you the JAMB past question for the subjects we'll be writing. I can also send you the syllables and other information you need. What you need to do, watch this video from beginning to the end, like this video, then subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Just type I have subscribed. You can also share this video. Click on share, copy the link and share on all the WhatsApp platform you belong to for JAMB. Then when you comment I have subscribed and you have done all those other things, I will send you JAMB past question, not all the subjects, just on the 4 subjects, the specific ones you'll be writing, then other syllables you might need. Chapter 5 is community support. Okay, the themes there is community involvement, collaboration. Chapter 6 is urbanization challenges. The themes there is urbanization, social change, and education. Chapter 7 is a setback. When Mr. Fola encountered a setback, the themes there is setback, conflict resolution. Chapter 8 is overcoming the challenges. The themes there is resilience, problem solving, and hope. Chapter 9 is the turning point. Why? The turning point, the themes there is teamwork, success, and transformation. Chapter 10, the last chapter of the book LEKKI Headmaster, is a new beginning. The themes there is hope, success, community impact. Okay? Remember that reading this book helps you to encounter new words. So why JAMB will always bring out a new novel every year is it will help you to encounter new English word. It will improve your comprehension, because JAMB, these are the things that JAMB is testing. Lastly, the book makes provision for cultural and educational insight, right? If you want to get a copy of the book, you want to buy it from me, you want me to send it to you, you want to buy, also tell me that you want me to send it to you, but it will not be free. Okay, now what you can do is, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and copy the link and share. Remember to also that in the next video we'll be looking at chapter 1 of this book very well. I'll be giving you from chapter 1 to the last chapter, chapter by chapter. I'll be dropping a video for each of the chapters. So watch the next video right now. This video showing now. Go ahead and watch